FutureTrend channel is presenting for you our analysis of commodity currencies for the date of 26 April 2018. Of course, the majority of market participants are looking and are waiting now for the ECB's interest rate decision and following press conference by Mario Draghi. But here is regarding such kind of currencies like Kiwi, New Zealand dollar, loonie and Russian ruble. Probably we need to take such kind of meeting away from our minding. And as regarding the situation, as you know, the United States currency at the moment are very well supported because of rising yields of United States government papers. Anyway, we are looking for a kind of correction in the price of the United States dollar, taking into account the overbought conditions of technical indicators, and probably also we expect a kind of correction in the yield curve of United States government papers. For example, as regarding the 10-year United States Treasuries, we expect it will come back to 2.90 level before upping again. As regarding the technical position, as you can see, the Australian dollar at the moment is trading below its longer-term uptrend line located around 76.20 level, and while so, it should maintain an easing bias. But anyway, we expect a kind of correction closer to the end of the week, probably tomorrow or in the second half of today. Probably also tomorrow's important economic releases coming from the United States in the form of gross domestic product data could disappoint the market and could take the dollar into correction. The time will show. Anyway, we still keep our long trade recommendation with a stop below the lows of December 2017 around 75.01. The New Zealand dollar is looking extremely weak right now. Anyway, we are ready to rebuy the currency on a possible dip below psychologically important barrier of 70. We are also mentioning kind of a longer-term uptrend line located around 69.20, and while above, we suggest the pair could resume its upper line. As regarding the dollar Canada, we suggest that the dollar Canada should sooner or later be back to its bearish mood. While so, we are basing on next factors. First of all, we suggest that the Bank of Canada, like the Fed, will increase its interest rates. We suggest that an NAFTA negotiation which finally should end, should present a positive kind of factor for the Canadian dollar, for the loonie, and also the technical picture is not so bad for the Canadian dollar, because as you can see, the longer-term downtrend line, which located today around 31.30. Which also coincides with the highs of this year, should limit the upside potential of the pair. And finally, dollar ruble, which opens a little bit weaker after yesterday's closing. Anyway, here all the situation is depending on the sanctions, economic sanctions, Western sanctions against Russia. Also, we need to understand that at the moment the Russian government is very well interested in lower Russian ruble, because you can imagine how much export profits have Russia at the moment because of lower Russian ruble and higher world energy prices. At the moment, that's all. Some later we will come with our analysis of United States stock indices. All eyes on the ECB's interest rate decision today, which should bring a kind of volatility into the markets. At the moment, that's all. It was your Future Trend channel. Bye bye for now.